Hello everyone. Today we'll be speaking about how to calculate heart rate in by seeing an ECG. So before calculating heart rate in ECG, what we should know is what is a standard ECG. So a standard ECG is one at which the speed of the paper at which the ECG starts taking start printing the rhythms. It should be at a speed should be adjusted at 25 millimeters per second. So this is what is called a standard ECG. So in which based on that 1 millimeter is equivalent to 40 milliseconds. That is one small square is equivalent to 40 milliseconds, and one large square is equivalent to 200 milliseconds because each large square has 5 small squares. So here you can see this is each small square, that is 1 millimeters of small square, which denotes 40 milliseconds, and this is a large square which has having 5 squares, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a large square which is 200 milliseconds. Okay, and the standard speed of ECG is 25 millimeters per second. And it should be the voltage of that should be 1 millivolt is equivalent to 10 millimeters, that is 2 large squares. So before counting heart rate in any ECG, we should see whether the ECG is standard or if the speed is normal or not, or the voltage is set or not. So this too has to be seen prior to calculating heart rate in any ECG. So ECG rhythm strip. ECG rhythm strip is nothing but the baseline one. After getting all the leads, we get a baseline rhythm strip, which denotes actually for 10 seconds. That is each ECG is actually printed for around 10 seconds. So what we have seen is already is that so this 10 second is equivalent to 50 large squares and 250 small squares. So if you want to calculate per minute, that is for 10 seconds, it is 50 large squares. For 1 minute, it is 60 seconds. So we should multiply this by 6. That is 300 large squares and 1500 small squares. Now, in a regular rhythm, if the QR is occurring at a regular interval, then the calculation is via two methods. If it is a normal regular rhythm, then it is 300. That is 300 by number of large squares between the consecutive R waves. That means between two R waves. That is, if you can see here, so this is an RR interval. So you can see how many boxes are there here. Large squares is 1. This is another 1, 2, and this is another 3. So 300 divided by number of large squares. If so, number of large square between two R interval is 3. So heart rate is around 300 divided by 3, which is 100. Similarly, 300, if there are large squares are 4 between two RR interval, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is 75 beats per minute. So if the patient is having tachycardia or heart rate is very high, but if it is occurring at regular intervals, then we can use what is called as 1500 divided by number of small squares. So rather than calculating the large squares, we calculate now small squares. Now you can see here, the number of small squares is how many small squares are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 1500 divided by 5, that will give us a rate of 300 beats per minute. So this too is valid only for a regular rhythm of regular rhythm. In irregular rhythms, this cannot be valid because the number of RR interval between like number of large squares or small squares between two RR interval is variant in irregular rhythms. So slow or irregular rhythms, what is the best way to calculate is you take a rhythm strip which is for 10 seconds. So each rhythm strip is for 10 seconds. So you can see here. So this is a rhythm strip. After taking out all the limb leads and the chest leads, we have a baseline rhythm strip. And normal ECG is taken for how many seconds? Is taken for 10 seconds. So normal ECG is for 10 seconds. So if you can count a number of R waves in this 10 seconds. So number of R, so each R wave means one heartbeat. So each heartbeat will have one R wave. So number of R waves in 10 seconds will give you number of heartbeats in 10 seconds. So if you want to calculate in 1 minute, then you have to multiply number of R waves here into 6 times. So for example, if you calculate, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 17 are the number of heartbeats or number of number of R waves in 10 seconds. So if you want to calculate it for 1 minute, you multiply 17 into 6, which comes for around 102. So this is heart rate calculated as 102. So hope you have understood our method of calculating heart rate in ECGs. And there is one interesting thing in this ECG. This is called as fibrillatory waves. So we'll be discussing about this fibrillatory waves in our next video. If you have liked our video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. Akif Beg. Thank you. If you have any doubts or any other questions, you can comment in our comment box. Thank you.